around you. You open up sides of me I've never known. You seem to have a way that can bust through the toughest of walls that I've built as I've grown. And I'm not really one for adventures, but life with you gets so out of hand. It seems as though the crazy's contagious, and I think you're changing who I am. Cause we do all the things I never used to like, but now I like them. Now I like them. EDM songs, they were never quite my jam, but now I like them. Now I like them. Puts me on a high. I used to live my life without purpose, like every day's the same as the last. When you're around I start acting nervous, and I think you're changing who I am. Cause we do all the things I never used to like, but now I like them. Now I like them. EDM songs, they were never quite my jam, but now I like them. I never used to like, but now I like them. We do all the things I never used to like, but now I like them. Cause I like them.
Driving your Mercedes, I've been up calling you baby, my eyes wild from the passenger side. White sheets, your hands, they go where I go. Palm trees, swaying out the window. I'm tired, but stay up just to stare in those eyes. In my past I'd erase it and start over with you. You know that you made me want you to forget yours too. You're giving me a run for my money, sweet like honey, ocean white and blue. You're giving me a run for my heart, is gone forever. I just lost it in you, I lost it in you. Lately I've been terrified, wanting you is scary. I know that it is rare to find. You make me aware that I could have forever verified. I love it when you tell me that I do. On it for you is my point of view. Yeah. You're giving me a run for my money, sweet like honey. Heart is gone forever. I lost it in you. Everything is like heart in the ocean, white and blue. You're giving me